How often do you go to the hairdresser and come back looking very different? Sometimes it is good. Sometimes it is not so good. My name is Alex. I go to the hairdresser. I want good hair. I want cool hair. I want movie star hair. The hairdresser says, "Don't worry, you look good." Snip, snip, snip. Cut, cut, cut. I look in the mirror. "Oh no," I say. "My hair is too short. I don't like my new haircut." At home, my mom looks at me. She says, "Nice haircut." I say, "No, Mom, not nice. Too short." My dad looks at me. He says, "Army haircut." I say, "No, Dad, not army. I want movie star." My sister looks at me. She laughs. "You look like an egg." I say, "Stop, not egg." Even my cat looks at me. The cat jumps. The cat runs. The cat thinks, "Who is this man?" In the evening, I go on a date. I wear a good shirt. I say, "Please don't look at my hair." My date looks at me. She smiles. She says, "Funny haircut." I say, "Not funny, bad." She laughs. I laugh. We laugh together. Now I think, I don't like my haircut, but I like the story. What about you? Do you like your haircut today? Write in the comments. Subscribe for more English stories.